I'm going to be heading over at the end of the month over to England to see my friend Martin and also the project data analytics community. So I just wanted to talk briefly about project management and data science and how there's this new emerging field of data science and project management sort of being paired together. And so I think about the major industries that are around all over the world. In Australia, for instance, we've got construction, mining, manufacturing, banking, IT, health, and these sorts of major industries and major areas. But what's common to all of these is that there are major projects being undertaken. So building a highway, constructing a school, or there's major banking, major IT, making digital transformations. There's IT projects. There's huge projects that are being undertaken, and currently they're being run on spreadsheets and emails, and there's not really a data-driven approach to project management. So I really see this as a new emerging field in data science, so pairing up data scientists and project managers. And then drawing on my lending and credit bureau experience, it seems like we're at the stage with project management that we were with lending before automated credit decisioning, where we're sort of doing it based on relationships and judgment. And the modern sort of banking system wouldn't exist today without the credit bureau. So everyone pooling in their data and to be able to discern risk based on past data is what allows financial transactions and banking to sort of happen today. So this whole idea of companies contributing data and being able to then draw insights out of it isn't new. And the idea of having, some people might say as well with project management that some of these projects are quite unique. And they may be unique within the city or unique even within the country, but they're probably not unique globally. And so the idea of then pooling risk is something which comes up a lot in reinsurance for extremely rare events like plane crashes or terrorism or something like that. And then you're able to also price and draw inferences on these rare events. And in the same way as well, if you have quite what you think is a unique project, people have built nuclear reactors in other places, or people have undertaken major IT transformations in other places, or across different industries. So the idea that somehow project management is different is I think flawed, and that we can't benefit from pooling and reasoning and drawing conclusions about risk from these events is I think not true. So I see a few things happening in project management. Again, this emerging field for data science, the pooling of risk, and using some of the ideas that we've borrowed from insurance for modelling these events, and also from credit and lending about pooling and aggregating different risks from different places. I think we can really get this, there's huge benefits to society, in that there's going to be more hospitals completed on time and on budget, and there's going to be savings to companies and also less reputational risk as well of failed projects. So I see this as a really huge thing, a really huge step, and I'm absolutely pumped and excited to be part of what I see as a new and emerging field.